easy way to make money online. Now, I know everybody says that, but I think you're going to be really excited when I tell you about my review of the Income from Home Secrets PLR. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. Now, why would that be? Well, that's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the few people who can bonus successfully. Oh, me and my buddy Neil over here. Anyway, sorry. If you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be as stale as his cat food. That's probably why he's crying about it. But anyway, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. Now, why would that be? Well, that's because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, really? Every day you gotta say this? Every single day? Do you know how annoying it is to hear him every day? Seriously. Guys, help me out. This guy is so annoying. Every single day it says the same thing. The way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip my hand to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz Lemon. She Liz is a sweetheart. I love Liz. Anyway, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Because frankly, subscribe. It really doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. This is the sales page for the Income from Home Secrets PLR. Now, if you're not familiar with PLR, it stands for private label rights. That means that you get to take this content and put your own name on it. Give it a different brand name, whatever you want to do with it. Go out and sell it and make money off of it. So that's pretty cool stuff. Now, this particular course is all about making money from home, which is why I thought that, that's pretty exciting stuff. Now, this particular person over here, name is Frederick. So this is his JVZoo account. And you can see here, he's done $263 in a single day. And these numbers are pretty believable, actually, because 134 clicks means that he's not getting like an insane number of sales. He's getting a lot of people coming in. So obviously he's doing some kind of advertising in order to bring people in to get them excited about his particular product that he has for sale. And what he's doing is basically he buys PLR content from Fire Launches, the guys who created this product, and then he works from home and sells them online.
People who work from home, they're trying to get some work done.
Yeah, people working from home, trying to work, like without cats interrupting in the background. Anyway, but seriously. So yeah, this is definitely something that could actually make real money online for you. I personally have actually purchased some content from Fire Launches and I usually use it as bonuses, not necessarily as a full-fledged course, but you can do so. Now, I do want to tell you before we take a quick look at the members area about my personal bonus for this, because I really outdid myself on this one. Okay, so what I did was I've put together a brand new course. Now, this is not the usual stuff I would do for a bonus. Usually for a bonus, I will do a video where it's like a 10, 15, 20-minute video where I will teach you something new. And those are nice. Those are useful videos that a lot of people like. And by the way, I am going to include one of those with this package. You're going to get my video on how to rebrand PLR, which is really, really going to be helpful to you. But that's not the primary thing that I'm going to give away to you. I'm also going to give you away a few ebooks that you can go ahead and sell or give away as your own. But I've got something really special. So I've got a brand new course I put together on email marketing. Now, this again is not, one of these throwaways where it's like I sat for 5 minutes and did a quick video. I actually did a 5-part course, which is basically the equivalent of what I would do for a full-fledged product launch. Okay, this is the sort of thing that I could literally just turn this into a product launch, sell several hundred copies of it, or even several thousand copies of it, and make real money from it, like thousands of dollars off of it. I've done it before. I could definitely do it. This is definitely a course that I could actually use that for it. I may very well end up at some point doing exactly that because it's a really, really good course. It's 5 parts. I'm going to give it to you that if you pick up this Income from Home Secrets PLR, you're going to get access to this course on email marketing. I go through a lot of really high-level secrets on email marketing, on how to beat the spam filter. I'm going to go through how to write headlines that really get people to click. Okay, I'm going to go through how to write content that's going to get people excited and get people engaged with your emails. Okay, you're going to get all that included. Excuse me.
I'm gonna sneeze. I'm gonna sneeze. I'm gonna sneeze.
Thought I had to sneeze over there. Well, I thought I had to sneeze. So what's to you? Anyway, so I want to show you the price before we go into the members area real quick, just so you can see how inexpensive this is. So you're going to get basically my course on rebranding PLR. You're going to get my 5 additional ebooks you can rebrand and sell or give away. And you're also going to get my course on email marketing. And you can see here right now it's $9.92. That's a joke. Okay, that's literally just a joke. It's ridiculous how cheap this is. But if you pick up any upgrade, I'm actually going to give you PLR rights to this course, which means that you can take my course, featuring me, by the way, so you can actually say that you partnered with Eric Hammer, the man that had a 6-figure marketer, to create this course, and you can actually go out and sell it or give it away as if it's your own. Okay, that's huge because when you buy PLR, usually you're not allowed to use a person's name. I'm giving you the right to use my name when you sell my course. Okay, I introduced myself. I explained that I'm a 6-figure marketer. And again, this is a high-level course on email marketing. It's not a throwaway, 10-minute video. This is something that took me quite a while to put together, and I'm giving it to you with full PLR when you pick up any upgrade of the Income from Home Secrets PLR. And you get the course just for your own personal use, even if you spend the $9.92 to actually pick up this package. And then you obviously do have the right to give away the Income from Home PLR as well. And you can see that everything is included here. They've got graphics, they've got legal pages, they've got, of course, the entire course, cheat sheet, mind map, the whole 9 yards. Everything is going to be included in this package. If you pick up the upgrade, the first upgrade, I believe, is going to be the video package of this. And when you pick up the video package, you also get PLR to my course on email marketing. So let's go ahead and see if I'm going to give it 10 my hat to the product rater or not. Huge tip of my hat. Love the course. Go out and grab this thing. This is really, really good stuff. And you're going to love it. And for the price, you really can't go wrong.